Hey friends, if you encounter the error D3D11 Compatible GPU is required to run the engine, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next one is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. The last one is to install DirectX. So you'll have to search for DirectX in the search bar and hit enter. You can download the DirectX and then you can open it and then click on I accept the agreement, next, and then it will start installing them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.